Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix iOS 17 update stuck on paused on iPhone. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Method 1. Turn off content and privacy restriction. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on screen time. On the screen time page, scroll down, tap content and privacy restriction. Turn off content and privacy restriction. Method number 2. Restart your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on general. On the general page, scroll down, tap shutdown. Now slide to power off and turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Enter your phone passcode. Method number 3. Turn off low power mode. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on battery. On the battery page, turn off low power mode. Method number 4. Check your iPhone storage. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on general. On the general page, tap iPhone storage. On the iPhone storage page, delete unused app. Select any one app. Tap on delete app. Again delete app. Thanks for watching this video.